Hello viewer, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download various data from Bhukosh GSI. Actually now Bhukosh GSI has changed their website. It's called now NGDR. So if you search in Google geodata, this website geodataindia.gov.in, then from here you can download all dataset which are available in Bhukosh GSI. You can use the same login ID. Okay, if you don't have any login ID, then you have to sign up first. I have login ID. So from my login ID, I can access using the OTP. It is important. And as per new geospatial rule, we cannot share the dataset. You can download the dataset, but you cannot share the dataset. One important thing, right? Now we have to insert here captcha, right captcha. Then we can log in. Okay. After login, you can download the dataset. So I'll show now how we can download dataset for geology and lithology. So here you can see the NGDR map service gateway. So we have to click here the NGDR map service gateway. So from this gateway, we can download the data. This is the option to download. Click to download the baseline. From here, you can choose, like if you choose the district, right? You can choose various types of data set. Okay, right from here the West Bengal. Okay, I will download for one district is Darjeeling, right? After selecting these Darjeeling, you can search and you can type here the keyword. This is which data you want to download. Various types of data set are available. So I will download from here first geomorphology data, right? After selecting this geomorphology, you can select the data set. Under this geomorphology, you can find the geomorphology and lineament. So now you can search here. Now you have to select, see, it is selected. It is now selected here, this one. So if you want to download the Darjeeling dataset, this dataset, you have to select the TOPSIS numbers one by one. So it is very difficult. So what you can do now, you can just change, instead of this, you can change the area drop. Now you can select one area. So I need this dataset, this area dataset. You can select by this. Okay. Then search again. Available dataset here, geomorphology, select it. Add to cart. Okay, select it. Then here the cards and one baseline data download in cards. So here, this one. Okay. Two types of dataset are available. One is shapefile, another is GeoJSON format. So I want to download in shapefile format. Now click it download button. Then it will be redirected to your email ID. So now my linked email ID here. No, not this one. This one. Yeah, I got this dataset from NGDR portal. So from here, we can download it. So I'll download now here. This is a geomorphology. Morphology. Just save it. Then I can access it. Just unzip first using extract all. Yes. Then geomorphology here. Under this, again unzip it. Extract all. Then you can find the geomorphology data. Extract all. This is geomorphology data in shapefile format. So this is the shapefile. So we can open it now. Any GIS platform like here. I'll export it from here. Here, right? This is geomorphology map of my study area. Now, this is my study area. This is my study area. See. So I want to clip now this study area. Okay. So this is the vector data. So we can use a geoprocessing tool for clipping this. Now our input features geomorphology and clip features our study area. Right. Now we can save it. So I want to save it here as a geomorphology. Morphology. Save it and just click it OK. It's working. Now see, this is our geomorphology map. So now check it in symbology category. Now we have to select the descriptions or legend at all value. These are the geomorphological unit: active floodplain, older floodplain, periplain, pond, river, whatever is unclassified. Based on this, you can use for your research purpose. Thank you for watching this tutorial.